Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, OneDrive app, and a stable network. Open the app and sign in. This links cloud storage to your device. Once signed in, choose which folders to sync, pick Documents, Desktop, or Pictures to start. Make sure to check available storage so you don't exceed your quota. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows, so complete it now and confirm sync status in the app before moving on. Once signed in, organize. Create a folder structure that matches your workflow, then move files into OneDrive by drag and drop or using Save As from apps. Enable Files on Demand to keep placeholders locally and download files only when opened, saving disk space. Make sure Selective Sync is configured per device so only necessary folders are stored offline. Also, tag or rename files consistently to simplify search. These finish by sharing and protecting your work. Generate view or edit links, set permissions and expirations, and confirm recipients can access files. For mistakes, use version history to restore prior copies and the recycle bin to recover deleted items. To complete setup, verify mobile and web access so you can work anywhere. If sync stalls or conflicts appear, pause and resume syncing, or relink your account in settings. That usually forces a fresh sync and resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.